Picture this, a classic Carnival ship cutting through warm tropical waters, the smell of sea salt in the air, and the unmistakable buzz of vacationers who finally clocked out of real life. That's the kind of energy the Carnival breeze brings to mind for anyone who loves the easygoing, fun-first style that Carnival Cruise Line has built its reputation on. This ship carries the spirit of what cruisers affectionately call the fun ships, and that promise alone is enough to get the suitcase out of the closet. For working folks who have saved up for a real getaway, a Carnival cruise tends to deliver pretty much what's on the label. Sunshine, food, drinks, music, and a whole lot of laughter. The breeze fits comfortably into that family of ships designed for people who want a vacation without pretension. It's the kind of ship where you can wear flip-flops to dinner one night and dress up for a fancy steak the next. That flexibility is a big part of why the brand keeps pulling in repeat passengers year after year. Just keep in mind that features and offerings can vary by ship and sailing, so it's always smart to double-check the details for your specific trip. Before diving deeper into what life on board looks like, it's worth noting that Carnival has built its identity on accessibility. The line aims to offer cruising at fares most families can reach, though extras like drinks, Wi-Fi, gratuities, and specialty dining do add up. Drink packages and prepaid add-ons can help keep the budget in check. That balance between value and fun is the lens through which the breeze experience should be viewed. With that in mind, let's take a closer walk through what guests can expect. Staterooms on Carnival ships like the Breeze typically come in 4 main categories. Interior cabins are the budget-friendly choice, giving travelers a comfortable bed, a private bathroom, and just enough room to dump the suitcases and crash after a long day in port. These rooms are ideal for cruisers who plan to spend most of their time out exploring the ship or on shore, and they're a smart way to keep the overall trip cost down. Step up to an ocean view cabin and you get the bonus of a real window looking out over the water. There's something genuinely magical about waking up, peeking through the glass, and seeing nothing but blue horizon. For travelers who get a little restless in windowless spaces, this category is well worth the small price bump. It also makes a big difference on sea days when natural light pours into the cabin. Balcony staterooms are where things start feeling like a proper escape. Having a private outdoor space to sip morning coffee, read a book, or watch the sunset is a game changer for many cruisers. Couples especially tend to gravitate toward balcony rooms because of the quiet, intimate vibe they offer. After a noisy day around the pool deck, that personal slice of sea breeze is pure gold. At the top of the ladder, suites give passengers extra square footage, upgraded furnishings, and perks that often include priority boarding and roomier bathrooms. Suites are a treat for honeymooners, anniversary travelers, or anyone celebrating a big milestone. Some configurations work nicely for families who want more space without booking 2 separate cabins. Carnival also offers accessible staterooms designed for guests with mobility needs, which is an important option that not every line handles as smoothly. Inside the cabins, expect comfortable bedding, climate control, a flat-screen television with onboard programming, and storage that's surprisingly clever for the space. Carnival has been gradually modernizing the in-room experience across its fleet, including the Carnival Hub app that lets guests check their itinerary, book activities, and message travel companions from their phones. Families traveling with kids will appreciate cabins that can sleep 3 or 4, often using upper berths that fold out at night. It's a simple setup, but it works. Dining on a Carnival ship is one of the biggest selling points. The main dining room is the heart of the food experience, offering multi-course meals with rotating menus that change each evening. Guests can expect classic favorites like steak, seafood, pasta, and rich desserts, alongside a few more adventurous picks. Many guests find the service warm and personable, though experiences do vary, so it's worth peeking at recent reviews before you sail. The buffet is the go-to spot for casual meals throughout the day. From early morning breakfast spreads with pancakes, eggs, and fresh fruit to lunchtime carving stations, sandwich bars, and global comfort foods, there's almost always something tempting available. Carnival's buffet has evolved over the years with more themed stations than in the past. It's a lifesaver on busy port days when guests want a grab and go. Specialty dining is where cruisers can treat themselves to something a step above. Carnival's steakhouse concept is well known, offering premium cuts, fine wines, and a quieter atmosphere that makes for a true date night experience. There are usually additional specialty venues featuring international flavors, whether that's Italian or seafood-focused menus, depending on the ship. These restaurants carry a cover charge, which many guests find well worth the splurge. Casual quick-bite spots round out the dining lineup. Think burgers grilled poolside, tacos or burritos at a Mexican-inspired counter, fresh deli sandwiches, pizza available for long stretches of the day, and soft-serve ice cream that somehow always tastes better at sea. These grab-and-go options keep hungry guests happy between bigger meals. They're also perfect for picky kids who just want something simple. The bar scene on board is a whole vacation within the vacation. Expect a variety of lounges and bars scattered around the ship, each with its own personality. Some focus on tropical cocktails with rum and fresh fruit, others lean into craft beers or wines, and there's often a lively spot with a piano or live band that becomes the unofficial gathering place each evening. Carnival's drink packages let guests sample widely without sweating the bill, though pay-as-you-go works fine too. Up on the open decks, the pool area is the social heart of the ship during sunny days. The main pool tends to be the busiest, surrounded by lounge chairs with music playing and a bar within easy reach. It's the kind of place where strangers strike up conversations and friendships are made in the time it takes to order a frozen drink. Sea days here have a festival atmosphere with deck parties, games, and contests that pull in crowds of all ages. For travelers who want a calmer experience, adults-only zones like Serenity offer a peaceful retreat away from the splashing kids. These areas typically feature comfortable loungers, quieter music, and often a dedicated bar nearby. They're popular with couples and solo travelers who want to read, sunbathe, and nap without distraction. Even on a high-energy ship, having that quiet corner makes a huge difference. Whirlpools around the deck give cruisers a chance to soak with a view, and they're especially nice in the evening when the sun is setting. Many Carnival ships also feature water slides and splash play areas that turn the upper decks into a mini water park, though the exact lineup varies from ship to ship. Kids tend to head straight for these features and stay all day, while parents keep an eye from a nearby lounger. Beyond the pools, onboard activities keep guests busy from morning to midnight. Active travelers can hit the jogging track for a few laps with sea views, shoot hoops on the sports court, or get competitive at mini golf depending on the layout. Fitness fans will find a well-equipped gym with cardio machines, weight equipment, and group classes for those who want a little structure. Working out at sea hits differently when you can see the horizon through the windows. The entertainment lineup is where Carnival really shines. The main show lounge typically hosts Broadway-style productions with talented singers, dancers, and elaborate costumes. These shows are included with the cruise fare and easily rival what you'd pay for at a land-based theater. Comedy clubs are another Carnival staple, with both family-friendly and adults-only sets that have become a fan favorite. Live music spills out of multiple venues each night, ranging from acoustic guitar in a quiet lounge to full bands kicking off dance parties on deck. Karaoke draws brave souls who suddenly decide they're the next big thing, and trivia contests pull in surprisingly fierce competitors. Game shows hosted by the cruise director and crew tend to be hilarious, with audience participation that gets the whole room laughing. For a more relaxed evening, the casino offers slots, table games, and a buzzy social scene with drinks and music. Cooking demonstrations, art auctions, and informational talks about upcoming ports give guests a chance to learn something new while still on vacation. Carnival often weaves in cultural elements tied to the destinations the ship visits, helping passengers connect with the places they're about to explore. Wellness lovers will find plenty to enjoy on board as well. The spa offers a full menu of treatments, from classic massages and facials to body wraps and specialty therapies. Many guests book a treatment for a sea day when the unhurried atmosphere makes the experience even more indulgent. A skilled massage with the sound of the ocean nearby is one of those small luxuries that feels disproportionately wonderful. Thermal areas with saunas and steam rooms give cruisers a chance to unwind without committing to a full treatment. These quiet spaces are perfect for stretching out after a port day. The onboard salon handles hair, nails, and grooming services for guests who want to feel pampered before a special dinner or formal night. Fitness classes round out the wellness offerings with options that often include yoga, group cycling, and stretching sessions. Some classes carry a small fee while others are complimentary, and they're a great way to start the morning before heading to breakfast. Booking ahead is smart since the popular sessions tend to fill quickly on sea days. Families cruising with kids will be relieved to know that Carnival has spent years refining its youth programs. Camp Ocean and the other kids' clubs are usually divided by age groups, giving the youngest cruisers a safe, engaging space with games, crafts, and supervised play. Older kids get their own zones with more age-appropriate activities, including scavenger hunts, themed parties, and friendly competitions. Counselors are trained to keep things lively and inclusive. Teens get their own dedicated hangout space too, which is a big deal for a demographic that doesn't always want to be lumped in with the little ones. These teen zones typically include video games, music, dance parties, and chill-out areas where they can socialize without parents hovering. Many teens leave the cruise with new friends scattered across the country. For parents, the kids and teen programs translate into actual relaxation time, which is sometimes the whole reason for booking the trip. Family-friendly activities outside the clubs include movies under the stars, family game shows, and shared dining experiences that bring everyone back together. The flexibility lets each family member do their own thing during the day and reunite for dinner and evening fun. It's a setup that works for multi-generational groups too, where grandparents, parents, and kids can each find their own pace. When it comes to ports of call, Carnival ships traditionally hit some of the most popular destinations in the Caribbean, the Bahamas, Mexico, and depending on the season, other regions as well. Stops in tropical destinations usually open up beach excursions, snorkeling adventures, swimming with marine life, and visits to local markets where guests can pick up souvenirs and sample regional foods. The classic warm weather itineraries are the bread and butter of the Carnival experience. Shore excursions are typically bookable through the cruise line or independently, and Carnival offers a wide range of options to fit different budgets and energy levels. Adventurous travelers can choose zip lining through jungle canopies, off-road buggy tour, or scuba diving for those who are certified. Calmer options include scenic catamaran sails, beach club day passes, cultural walking tour, and visits to historic landmarks. Choosing the right balance of port days and sea days is one of the joys of cruise planning. Some travelers love packing every port with excursions, while others prefer to wander the towns on their own, find a local restaurant, and soak up the atmosphere. Both approaches work beautifully, and the ship is always there waiting with a hot meal and a comfortable bed when the day winds down. Stepping back to look at the overall experience, the Carnival Breeze delivers what most travelers expect from the brand. A high-energy, value-packed vacation with plenty to do, plenty to eat, and plenty to enjoy. The strengths lie in its variety, its accessibility, and its commitment to keeping guests entertained. Core meals and entertainment are included in the fare, though extras like drinks, Wi-Fi, specialty dining, and gratuities are charged separately, so it pays to plan ahead. On the flip side, the very things that make Carnival fun can occasionally feel like too much for guests seeking a more refined or quieter experience. The ship can get lively, especially on sea days, and the high-energy atmosphere isn't everyone's cup of tea. Travelers who prefer a more upscale, formal cruise experience may find that some luxury lines fit them better. But for the target audience, the trade-off is exactly what they signed up for. What helps the Breeze stand out from its competitors is the unmistakable Carnival personality. The brand has perfected a casual, welcoming vibe that draws in first-time cruisers and keeps loyal passengers coming back. It's not trying to be the fanciest ship on the water, and that honesty is part of the appeal. Guests know what they're getting. The combination of varied dining, included entertainment, well-run youth programs, and approachable pricing creates a package that's hard to beat for families and budget-conscious travelers. Add in the genuine warmth of many crew members who are often praised for their friendliness, and you have a recipe for memorable vacations. Carnival often becomes a tradition for families, with kids growing up taking annual cruises and eventually bringing their own children aboard. For travelers thinking about group bookings, family reunions, or even smaller business gatherings, many Carnival ships offer meeting spaces and group event capabilities. These rooms can be used for private celebrations, group meetups, or corporate retreats with a tropical twist. Combining a getaway with a gathering means everyone has fun even outside the meeting room. What ultimately turns a good cruise into a great one is the human element, and many guests share stories of waitstaff remembering their drink order, room attendants leaving funny towel animals each evening, and entertainment crew making them feel like part of an inside joke. Reviews are mixed, of course, but when it clicks, those small touches add up to a vacation that feels personal even with thousands of other guests on board. Memorable moments tend to come from unexpected places. A sunset spotted from a quiet deck corner, a hilarious comedy show that left the whole family in tears of laughter, a great plate of food at the steakhouse, or a quiet conversation with a bartender who's been with the line for years. The Breeze, like its sister ships, is built to create those moments without forcing them. Guests step off the ship at the end of the week with stories to tell and an itch to book the next sailing. That's the real magic of a Carnival cruise, and it's why the brand continues to thrive in a crowded cruise industry.